Hey, hello and welcome to another episode of Making Diablo clone in Lisp. So today, we are back from the holidays and we are again working on the sound effects. Basically we're starting off where we left last time. So let's see what we got here. To finish this task about sound effects, I would have to pick sound effects for all of the different types of mobs I have in the game, and also for the player. I reckon some sound effects for player are missing. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, perhaps it would make sense to stop the music. So let's just do that. And yeah, just focus on the sound effects from the game. Alright. So yeah, I think we pretty much have all of the sound effects for this spider ant thing. So if I hit it, it also works. So yeah, okay. Let's see if I can pick a dagger. Come on, just pick it up, damn it. Yeah, right, I don't have a sound for a dagger. So, yeah, right, let's start with the swoosh sound for a dagger. So I think I would have to open ASC Sprite, open the sprite file, no, not that one, but the one for the heroine, and see what do I have here. A swoosh. So I think it was for a swing, right? Yeah, right. And then for that one, yeah, short sword swoosh. And then here, yeah, and here I don't have anything. So let's maybe just put all of those things here and then work on sounds themselves. So let's see, for long sword we would have long sword swoosh and then a great sword. So for that we would have a great sword swoosh. Right, let's save it, and yeah, let's start working on that. Yeah, well, first of all, to make this experiment easier, I think I would have to move that dagger a little bit further to easier pick that up. I mean, in the game. So, where was it? Dagger. So, -2, -2. Let's put it at -3 and -3. Let's see where that is. Yeah, I have this weird conversion from orthogonal coordinates to isometric, so yeah, it might be tricky. Come on, yeah, okay. Right. Perhaps I should put it in slightly different place. Something like -1 and 3. Would that make sense? Huh, weird. It's... Oh yeah, I haven't recompiled. God damn it. Alright, so let's start with -3, -3. Right, that's slightly better. Yeah, okay. Right, so dagger swoosh it is. Let's see. I reckon I had some sound libraries from where I had some swoosh sounds. So let's see. I reckon sounds, yeah, here. And I think I even have some notes about that. Right, swooshes 13. Where does that come from? sounds. Let's see. Swoosh. Okay. Oh, swooshes. Yeah, that's the whole sound library dedicated to various swoosh sounds. Okay, so I think I would have to have at least at least four different swooshes, like ranged in different like pitch. So the most like high pitched would be dagger sound, and then the most low pitched would be greatsword swoosh. So yeah, I would have to pick here at least four for those. Ooh. Yeah, and probably I wouldn't be adding any variability here. But yeah, it actually would be nice. Alright. Why do I do that? Weird. Oh, yeah, right. I don't want to use that, but that's weird that I... So let's hear them all. It's again several sounds in one file. We don't want that. But I can't remember why I renamed those two. That's weird. But yeah, anyway. Again, several sounds in one file. Let's rename that too. And again. And again. That's a lot of them, with several sounds recorded in one file. Man. Oh well. Yeah, that's two. Again. Crap. Okay, and this one. Alright, so I have like what? From here to here. All of the sounds. And yeah, I should kinda split those in 4 different categories. Would that be 4? 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Alright. Let's just do that. Let's just make the folders and, well, do some damage here. Okay, so short sword, then long sword. Okay, well, let's maybe rename those so that they are in order. So short would be 2. Long. Oops. How did I do that? Whoa. That was weird. Alright, so long would be 3, and then 4 would be greatsword, right? Yeah, the greatsword. Alright. So then I think I would listen to every sound and try and, well, pick the category for that. Okay, so this sounds very weak. and that one perhaps 2, but maybe short, I don't know. Okay, that sounds like long. Don't know, maybe long too. Wait a sec, I had some notes. So 13 heavy, 13. That one. Yeah, that's definitely a great sword. Okay. Oh, and I think that too. Okay, that is different. Definitely a dagger. I don't know. Let's put it to short. That one, no. Yeah, probably a great or maybe long. I don't know. Let's put it to short. And probably that too. And probably that too. Don't know. Okay, maybe those two are for a short. And maybe those two. Okay, maybe that goes for long. And perhaps that too. And maybe that too. And that. And that. Yeah, definitely long. Perhaps long too. Are kind of the same. Okay, that's either long or great. Let's put it to great. It sounds very swooshy. And that too. And that too. And that. Yeah, so those last two. I don't know, let's put it to long. Okay, so let's see what do we got here. Oh, but wait a sec. Those two. Yeah, let's just leave it. Okay, so I only have 2 for dagger, a lot for short, a lot for long, and several for a great sword. 5. Okay, maybe I could use those 2 for a dagger. I don't know, or maybe several from here, because there are a lot of sounds for a short sword, but only 2 for a dagger. Yeah, so let's see. This one is like kind of double swoosh, so it goes in one side and then, yeah, okay. Okay, so let's put that to a dagger. And then, yeah, maybe 3 sounds for every category would be enough to have some variability. So that would be enough, I think. Okay, so let's get those and copy that to the game resources. All right, so swoosh. Okay, so all of those would be dagger swoosh with indices 1, and then this one dagger swoosh 2, and then dagger swoosh 3. All right. Okay, so let's then make the appropriate changes here. So instead of just one value, we would want a list with dagger swoosh 1, dagger swoosh 2, and dagger swoosh 3. All right. Whoa. Okay, so let's see how, or rather, let's hear how that looks. Yeah, I'm kinda messed up in modalities. Okay, so let's get this dagger. Come on, pick it up. Okay. Yeah, that is kinda satisfying, I guess. Let's try it again. Come on, pick that up. Damn it. Yeah, okay, that is kinda... Yeah, well, I'm creating kinda my own from scratch, but it is based on LibAllegro, which is kinda like SDL, but well, it's also a low-level C library, which contains all of the stuff about drawing and sounds and stuff. So yeah, LibAllegro it is. And yeah, thanks. Okay, so I think we pretty much covered a dagger sound. So let's go with what? Short sword. Okay, let's drop it here. Short sword. Okay. Let's just run it to see if that works. I mean, if the sounds are missing. Come on, pick that up, damn it. Okay, short sword swoosh. Right. So let's choose the sounds for that. So this was a dagger. Let's pick the ones for short sword. They're slightly different. That's good. Okay, I say some of those would do the trick. Maybe 18, 15, and 14. Yeah, and if we compare that, yeah, those are slightly different. Okay, let's take, I don't know, maybe those three. Oops, no, I meant Control C. Oh, some fireworks there, weird. Okay, so those would be short sword swoosh. Short sword swoosh 1. Short sword swoosh 2. And short sword swoosh 3. All right. Where was it? Yeah. Man, those are distracting. Damn it. What is more weird is that I can't see them, so yeah, that's slightly disturbing. Oh yeah, it's finished. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, first of all, I would have to also add some variability here. So yeah, for short sort. Short sort swoosh. So again, I would have to have a list here instead of just single value. 1 and then 2 and then 3. Alrighty. Okay, let's pick that up. Come on, pick it up, damn it. Hi Michael, how are you? Okay, so the damage for the short sword is slightly bigger, and that's why I kill it almost instantly. Let's make it a bit more healthier. Yeah, HP. So let's make it, I don't know, 150. Well, it would be unkillable, but yeah, anyway. Oops, nope. Yeah, it's good for me too, thanks. Oh, crap. Okay, I still haven't perfected yet the coordinate system, and that's why picking up things is kinda awkward. Okay, here we go. Wait, why it is killed? Okay, I would have to restart the game because those initial like object parameters are taken into account only when it is booted. Yeah. Okay, so let's see, let's pick that up. Pick it up, damn it. Okay. Yeah, I guess that works. It is also not that unkillable. Okay, cool. So let's go with the next weapon, which would be longsword. Let's just see if the sounds are missing too, and they should be missing. So let me pick it up. And yeah, of course it is missing. So, the longsword. Let's see what do we got here. Yeah, this one is kind of double, like 2 swooshes at once. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so this one wouldn't do, I think. Yeah, this one is rather like a short sword or something. And this one I don't like too because of the double swoosh. I don't know. So I think something from the start of the list should do. Yeah, so maybe that one and those two. Okay, here we go. Where are they? No, those are sounds from the sound library. I think I've credited it in the game readme. I picked it up from the what? Damn it, from OpenGameArt. Yeah. So that's like #1 resource for, well, getting resources. I can post a link for you. Give me a sec. Alright, how do I? I think it should be in DLD. I should have recorded a link in README. Something like swoosh. Have I even changed it? Swish bamboo stick. Oh no, sorry. Bamboo stick swishes. Is that the one? That's actually weird if those are bamboo stick swooshes and I'm using that for like sword swooshes. But yeah, well, it kinda sounds just perfect. Yeah, that's the one. So give me a sec. Here's the link. All right. So where was I? Okay, so I've copied those where I can't really see. Have I copied those? Yeah, right. So those are longsword swoosh. Longsword swoosh 1. Let me just copy that. And then longsword swoosh 2 and 3. Alright, so now to fix that in a sprite file, just copy that value and use a list again. So that's 1 and 2 and then 3. Alrighty. So let's see. Okay, let's pick it up. Come on, pick it up, damn it. Okay. Yeah, that definitely sounds like it should sound. Okay, cool. And the last but not least is the greatsword. So let's have that. Right. Let's pick some sounds for that. Okay, so those two are almost perfect. And then yeah, I think those two would do just perfectly. Alright, so those are great. Swords 1. Making a roguelike. Yeah, right. Well, I will definitely try and play that, and I will wait that, and I wish you luck with that. So yeah, that's really cool. I reckon you've posted on the LISP Discord some like awesome images with the automatic map generation. I reckon it was like for this project, right? I mean, those looked gorgeous, so yeah. Right, longsword, no, what was it? Great, yeah, greatsword. Okay, so let's fix it here. Oops, how, damn it. Actually, I haven't been on this Discord. Oh, yeah, I see. I wasn't on that that much either because, well, not very much of a free time on my hands. So yeah, that's I can relate to that. All right. Yeah, I'm actually starting some, well, personal projects. Well, not that personal, but anyway. And yeah. Oh, IRC, yeah, I recall that one. I haven't really been in IRC for ages, I think for years actually, yeah. So is there some channels you like being on? Yeah, right. I reckon it would be something like Sharp Lisp or something on Freenode, I guess. Stick to Telega. Well, yeah, Telegram is okay too, but yeah, I actually don't like Telegram that much, So yeah, probably IRC would be better. I wonder if there are gates from Telegram to IRC. I think there should be something. Yeah, Sharp Lisp and Sharp Lisp games. I think I will probably try and visit there. But yeah, let's focus on that thing. Let's pick a great sort. Yeah, cool. That sounds nice. Okay, so now we got all of the swoosh sounds for weapons. So let me reckon. I think there were some sounds in this sprite. Oh yeah, for a walking, I reckon there should be some sound here. Nope. Probably here. No, I would have to check all of the cells. So I guess this means that I don't have a walking sound right now. Yeah, I think so. So let me just comment that mob for a moment. Oops. Damn it, what's with my keyboard? Okay. Yep, no walking sound whatsoever. So let's just fix that then. First of all, I would have to remember where I do have, I mean on which frame I had the walking sound, and then just yeah, use that. So I have the version of the game here. All formats. Oh yeah, I would have to unpack that. DLD, which is, well, darkness, lumen, the dawn, and assets archive, and yeah, here we go. DLD, common resources, sprites, heroine. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. Nope. Nope. Weird. Nope. Maybe it was not the head, but rather the cloth layer. Because, well, some of those two layers should be like the 0 layer, which is kind of the default. Oh yeah, here we go. No, next tense walk. So I guess head is the default layer. Let's just check it out. Nope. Nope. And nope. Wait, that's weird. How this even works then? Heroine ASE. Alright. Hey Michael, if you're still here, so would you be making your roguelike like open source? And if yes, probably you could post a link to that. I would happily see, well, you at work on that. Weird, that's weird. Let's maybe search for walking. Nope. Okay, first of all, how that sound was called. Oh, I remember now. Yeah, I had the different mechanism for that. So, yeah, right. It was this heroin cloth walk. Right. And I'm actually recalling I've been working on the sounds for a footsteps. Oh yeah, here we go. Heroin cloth walk. Yeah, I was working on that. So for some reason, okay, so let's maybe close that one. We are working on this. And yeah, I guess I should just stick it here then. Okay, what is really weird is that head is actually the 0 layer. How can I actually see what number it is? Okay, match down. Okay, but anyway, I'm having that next stance thing here, which means that this is the default layer. So anyway, I would stick that here, that thing about the walking sounds. So let me just copy over that from swing, I guess. Oh, was it the second frame or a third frame? Yeah, it was a third frame. So let's copy that here. But instead of dagger swoosh, this would obviously be... What would that be? Let me maybe even rename those ones. Or maybe they make sense, because there would be different footsteps for different sets of armor. So for instance, if you have heavy metal armor, it would sound with like metal clinks, like boom, boom, boom. So, well, yeah, okay. So hearing clothes walk, it is. Hearing clothes walk 1, and then hearing clothes walk 2, and then hearing clothes walk 3. Alright then. Oh, haven't I? No, haven't I saved it? Alright. So this, I guess, should work right out of the box. Let's just turn the volume a bit up, because those are, yeah, that works, and that works nicely, actually. Considering that right now I have a very loud volume. Yeah, that's actually nice. It kinda even syncs with the animation frames, which was obviously the target when I was working on those. So yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so now we have weapon swooshes, we have footsteps. Let me see what are other animations. Okay, so obviously, well, block, I'm not using block yet, I reckon. So that would be hit and death. And I reckon I already have something for hits, right? Nope. Let me see. Oh yeah, that should be on a default layer, which is head. No. Here. Nope. Weird. So I guess I should also work on hit and as well as death sounds. Yeah, right. So let me just put the volume back, and here we go. So yeah, let's put the spider end back, and have I compiled that? No, I haven't. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, I actually don't have any heat sounds here. Right, let's also have those. So previously I had those. Yeah, right. So I reckon it was from the sound library called female grunt work or something. Let me just find that one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, and I would have to cut something. These sounds, yeah. I would have to cut the required sounds from here, I guess. Right. That's not very much of those, so I would have to pick. Yeah, I would have to pick the two for a hit. Maybe some different sounds for hits, at least 3, and then different sounds for the death animation. All right, here we go. So let's see. Yeah. Nope. Perhaps for hit animation I actually want very short. Yeah, right, this sounds very like too how they put it in English, suggestive. Yeah. So my hit animation is actually only what, 200 milliseconds, right? So then one from 0 100 and then second frame. Yeah, 200 milliseconds. So I would have to fit it in only 200 milliseconds. Right, and here, how much do I have here? It's actually 2 freaking seconds. That's very much. Or is it? No, it's not. It's from 230 to 250 approximately. So yeah, approximately 200 actually. Right. So let's see. Yeah, this is becoming weird very quickly. What did I tune into? Yeah, well, welcome. It's actually done by some women by the name of Simone Brun. You can find those sounds on Open Game Art website. It's actually called that female grunt work. So yeah, you can use that in your projects. This one is actually kind of nice. Yeah, that's the one that I used originally, so probably I would take that one. How long is that? Where does it? Where can I see the length? Right. Okay. So this is. I can cut this to 200 milliseconds. So let's try and do that. It's actually 220, but anyway. Right. So, first of all, I would cut something more here, and then probably the last bits here, or maybe even, I don't know if I use that one. Perhaps instead of doing that, I would actually just make a pitch a bit higher. So let me just try and do that. Let's just copy all of it. And then how do I work with pitch? Yeah, I guess I would just make a speed higher. Something like that. Oh, no, that's not what I want to do with that. Okay, so let's just cut the extra pieces. Something like that. So it's 210 milliseconds, which is still 10 milliseconds more than I need. Probably cut something here at the beginning. So I need to cut what? Yeah, even more than 10 milliseconds, something in the range of 15. Let's just delete this bit. And then also this bit. Yeah, that, I think that will do. All right, so let's export that in. Yes, that looks like the right path. So that would be what? Heroin hit. And wait a sec. Probably I would also have different hit sounds for the different classes of armor, or would I? That's actually some. Okay, I will think about that later, because I actually can easily add new sounds, because the sounds I add to another layers kinda override the sound that is on the default layer, and I will just put that in the default layer. Right, so that would be what? Heroin heat, heroin clothes heat, I guess. No, wait a sec. Yeah, anyway, clothes heat 1. Okay, here we go. So then I would also need 2 more to add some variability. And they all look very long, actually. Yeah. Probably this one would be good. Okay, why those are shorter? Yeah, that would do better. This is rather a hop or jump sound than pain. And that too. Huh. Yeah, this one would do too. So this one is a lot shorter than the other ones, but anyway, it would work just nice. Oh. Weird. Why haven't I copied it right? No, I have copied like all of it. Yeah. Okay. Oops. What? Why? Okay. So I only have to start it a bit earlier then. Weird. Huh. That's really weird. So if I start it just like maybe 10 milliseconds later, it sounds kinda cut off or something like this. Like it doesn't go anywhere, but if I start it earlier, it is more or less okay. Okay, let's just leave it at that. So that would be heroin clothes heat 2. Alright, and I only have one left to find, or rather to pick. Yeah, this one is good, I think. This one is nice too, but it probably is too long. Is it though? Yeah, 260. I don't know. They both are good. But I think I will go with that one. Okay, so I cut it at the end. And then at the start, I guess. Oops. Yep, that will do. So that would be heroin clothes heat 3. Alright then. So let's now put it into use by the engine. So this should be in the default layer in the first frame of heat animation, right? Yeah, right. So let's maybe copy the one from here and then change it to hit. Alright, so instead of walk, that will be hit. And then the next one too. Hit. And this one. Okay, here we go. So let's see how that plays out. Oh, it does not. And that is because the heat animation is not triggered. And why it is not triggered? Perhaps because I have a lot of health for debugging reasons. And it does not trigger. Yeah, okay. So I would have to lower my health. What was it by default? I can't remember. Let's make it 100. So the rule here is just like in the original Diablo, if you receive a damage that is higher than 1/12 of your total health, you like switch to a hit state. You like stop doing what you were doing and you emit this pain sound, and yeah, it is called micro stun if I recall correctly. So let's just yeah, I've kind of re-implemented that mechanism, so yeah. Let's see. Right. cool. That paint sounds was very realistic, I guess. Yeah. Okay, that works, and now I need a death sound. And again, I can't quite recall where I get it the last time. So let's see. Right, heroin, something, death, close. Okay, death. Okay, that's very long and painful. Sorry. So probably this is from this sound library, or maybe not. Huh. Yeah, I can actually use this long sound as the death sound. But yeah, I kinda puzzled by where did I get this from. Let's just hear them all. Oh, that's the one. Okay, so I think I will... Yeah, suggestive to say the least. You're totally right. Sorry if you listen in this like on your speakers out loud. Right, so this one was the original death sound, and I guess I would take this one. Yeah, right, and some of those. Probably this one. Yeah, okay, so let's just do that. And again, how long my animation is here? So it is 4, is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, 4 frames, which makes it 400 milliseconds. Okay, well, let's do this. So I obviously need this shorter, but probably not, because, well, it's the last sound that entity would emit, so it can be longer than the animation, I guess. But anyway, I would cut the silence here. Yeah, and at the end. Okay. Oh, weird. So yeah, where was I? Why this thing is working in Russian when I press on like home and something? That's weird. That's very weird. So if I press escape, it is in English, but if I press like home or end, it is in Russian. Very weird. Yeah, I would have to fix that. So yeah, that's my first death sound. And yeah, death sound probably would be the same for every type of armor. So yeah, okay. Let's just export that. So that would be heroin death 1. Okay, so then this one. Oh, I forgot to have a look at its length, but yeah, anyway. Okay, let's just again remove some silence at the beginning here and then at the end. Alright. Yeah, and it is roaring 1 second. So yeah, that's some long sound here. Oops, no, not 23. just to, god damn it, rain depth, where is it? Close. How it is sorted, damn it. Oh yeah, by the type, of course. Heroin death 1 and death, yeah, 23. Right, and then the last one here, yeah, this. Okay. So it's, I think, nothing to actually remove here, and then, yeah, here. Okay, let's export that to death 3. And then again put it to work for the engine here. So it also should start on the death here on the default layer. Okay, let me again copy that stuff from here and just here. Wait, what was it? No, how do I, damn it, how do I cancel, god damn it. Yeah, okay, so it was non-interruptible. Yeah, that's important. I don't want to drop that. Okay, and then the sounds, so that would be extra parentheses here. Okay, so non-interruptible sound, heroin, cloth, heat. So yeah, instead of cloth heat, it would be just death 1. Then this cloth heat, so yeah, death 2, and heroin, close, blah blah blah. Yeah, heroin, death 3. Okay, I think that's that. Let's see how that plays out, or rather here. That makes sense. Let's hear it again. Yeah, okay. So yeah, perhaps the sound design for the heroin is kinda finished, I guess. Again, there is this cast and shoot, but I don't have I don't have any casting or shooting mechanics yet. I only have a close quarters combat. So yeah, I don't need that. And yeah, block again and again, I don't have any block mechanics. So yeah, for now, I think I'm good with that one. Okay, so there is now this spider ant. So for it, I think the sound design is pretty much nailed, because yeah, it has this swing sound. Has it walking sound though? Oh, it does not. So I also would have to add walking sounds for spider ant. Okay, all right. So wait a sec, I would have to see how it was for a heroine. Was it like the first frame? Yeah, it was. Right. Okay. So to properly test it, let's put spider ant a bit further. Something like, I don't know, 1010. Would that work? Nope, it would not. It is too far. It does not want to go to me. Okay, let's put it a bit closer. Again, it is stuck, damn it. Let's put it at 7, I don't know. Yeah, it moves just silently. Alright, let's do that. So for spider ant, previously, let's have a look at previous sounds. So where it is it? Damn it. Yeah, again, proper sorting. So spider ant, body, walk. Okay. I would have to remember where, from which sound library I got that, and that might be problematic. Let me just have a look at my README, because probably I can figure out from that. Sound, right, spider ant. So, crackling sounds, mournful, skeleton, right. So, I reckon I was putting those references in the alphabetical order of the sound files. So, so spider ant goes after skeleton. So I guess it would be the next after this walking skeleton. Or maybe here. Footsteps. Why footsteps though? Zombie. Right. So this one I've added the last. So I guess it is rather this or that. Punches, hits, swords, and swooshes. Which was that one. Oops. Footsteps. Monster something. Nope. Whoa, that's scary. Zombie. No. Not this one, definitely. Impact. No. Monsters. Yeah, I reckon I used that one, I guess, for pain sound of a spider ant. But yeah, for walking it was something rather different. Yeah. Damn it. Have I lost it though? See. I reckon it was this one. Yeah. Yeah, it is this one. Right? Yeah, it is. Let's just check it out. Yeah, I just duplicated it. Yeah. Alright. But do I have the sounds for a swing though? Oh, okay. So it is not even... Wait a sec. How does that even work? I mean, why there are sounds when it is attacking me? Come on, just move faster. Those sounds, how... I mean, where does those sounds come from? So spider ant, yeah, this is the one. Hit swing. So this should be... Oh, Okay, so something probably yeah, swoosh, spider ant swoosh. And then there is this impact sound, right? Which is kind of separate one. Let's see. So spider ant swoosh, spider ant swoosh. Where is it? Yeah. Oh, right. And probably those might coincide with some of the heroin swooshes. I mean, with some weapons. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, something like that. Those sound no, they're different. Okay, anyway, where was I? Swing, so I have swing and then impact. Okay, so I am missing walking. Alright, so let's just copy that and put it here. Spider and walk. And then spider and walk 2. And then spider and walk 3. Alright, here we go. Okay. Then I would actually have to make 3 of those. Not. Okay, probably I can use those. Okay, let's see how previously this sound was made. Okay, so it starts kind of right away, right? And then another start is at like 350 milliseconds or something. Okay. And overall length is a little bit more than half a second. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how long? Okay, so it is actually 800 milliseconds. I mean the whole animation. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, so where was I? It should start at right away, and then another sound should start at 350. And I can't really use that sound because it is normalized with another one. I mean, with another sounds. So I should use a new unnormalized sounds. I mean, I would normalize all of the sounds I'm currently working on later. So let's use that. Right. So perhaps I should use something like that. What if? Yeah. Yeah, probably I should have another look about how long have I taken. Ooh. So here it is almost, wait a sec. Right, so this is the original, this is how I edited it. So it goes almost to 300 milliseconds. Whoa. Huh, okay. So I'm making the new one and then copy it right here, but cut it at about 500, right? Or rather 520. 20 something. Something like that. So let's see if that works. It kinda does. This has like weird ending. Okay, this one would do just fine. So this is spider and walk. Damn it, walk 1. All right. So now I would use that as a reference and work on the second and third variations. Okay. So again, I should copy something around 300 milliseconds, right? All right. And yeah, copy that, and then copy that again at the end. All right. Can I just press end? All right, and then cut it at what? Where was it? And then cut it at 525. That's weird. Okay, 525. Yeah, here we go. So let's see how that sounds. Yeah, that's just fine. Let's export that. So that would be spider and walk 2. Wait, what? No. Probably I can close some of. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I'll close that. And the third variation. So again, I'm copying what? Like 300. I'm copying 300 and wait a sec. Yeah, probably I can start just somewhere here. And yeah, I need 300 milliseconds, so here we go. Oh. And without that, it's kinda... Yeah, perhaps I would want like the full thing with that ending like chomp this. Yeah, that would do. So this would be a little longer, so I would have to fiddle with the length. Right, so I guess I would just only have to make the whole thing at appropriate length, which should be 525, if I'm recalling correctly. Yeah, 525. So yeah, right. Again, how does that sound? And if I cut it to here, yeah, that probably would do. So let's cut it a bit more precise. Come on. Right. Yeah, it's kind of weird, but it works, I guess. So I'm eager to hear how it would work. Spider-Man walk 3. Alright, so let's close all that crap. And yeah, so I guess I've put it here already. Yeah, I did. So let's just have a look. Wait a sec. No, this third thing is kind of very different from the first two. I guess I would just keep it. Okay, so one of those is very different from the other two. Where is it? Spider Ant Walk. Okay. But which one is the weird one? Yeah, like the one that sounds higher pitched. I think that one. Yeah, so I would just temporarily rename that and remove the third sound from here. Okay, well, let's see. Yeah, the problem is that they are still quite different. And probably I should have just left all of the three different sounds. Or maybe just leave just one. Because again, they are very different. Yeah, I guess I would just leave one variation, which basically is no variation at all. So let's remove those and rename that to just Spider Ant Walk. Why I pressed Ctrl S? Weird. Okay, so instead of list, we could just have just one value, Spider Ant Walk. Right, here we go. Oops. Okay. Yeah, this will just do just fine. Wait a second. It was something weird. Or maybe not. So okay, I've finished quite a lot for today. I've done the sound effects. I mean, I finished the sound effects for the heroine, and I finished the sound effects for the spider ant. So what is left is actually to work on a different enemy sound design, and I guess that would be skeletons, zombies, and that's it. And there's also like the big skeleton, like the Skeleton King or whatever. So yeah, I'm basically very close to an end of this sound redesign. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more, get back next Saturday. So yeah, thanks for watching again. Take care and